Hello everyone. Today I am here with the new topics is a dplyr. Dplyr is a library where we use the merge and join function. So first we know about the data analyst because it is necessary then to know about the data analyst because it's come under the data analyst. So data analyst can be divided into three parts: is extraction, transfer, and visualize. So extraction is where we can collect the data from many sources and combine them. It is very easily you understand it. And second is data manipulate, and third is visualize the data to check irregularity. Okay, so I have show you the diagram. This is the diagram I have created. This is the data analyst. In data analyst we use the function data manipulate, data cleaning, and visualization. Visualize the data. So is where we use this library dplyr. And then in data manipulative we use the right joining, left joining, and semi joining. Data cleaning we use the filter, select, arrange, and group by. And third is visualize me is there we use the ggplot library and ggplot and geopoint and geoline. These are the visualization. It's a function. So is a rdplyr. Rdplyr is a library to help the data transformation, and dplyr library create function to manipulate the data and clean the data. The ggplot library to analyze the and visualize the data. Okay, and merge the data with rdplyr. So dplyr provide nice convenient to combine the data set. So we may have many sources to input data. We need to combine these, a join with dplyr, add variable to the right or original data set. Okay, these are the function. In merging is merging left join, right join, inner join, and full joining. Okay, then is data cleaning, where we use these function is gather, spread, and separate, and unit is gather transform the data from wide to long is it, and spread transfer the data is opposite, totally opposite to gather is long to wide, and separate is split one variable into two, data is splitting, and unit two variable into one unit. As the notion we understand the unit. Now we come to the practically. So first you install the library dplyr. So go to the package and click on package, then install, and write down the dplyr, LYR. This is the library name, and then click on the install, because I have already installed this library, so you can do it. So first we write down the library, and where we write dplyr. This is the dplyr. Now run it. Now it's working. Now I am creating the data set. So first now id is a variable name, and c is we use the whenever we create the data more than one, then we use the c. Where I am using the id is a b. This is the id, and second I am taking the experience. then C, where I'm 2, 4 years, then 5 years and 7 years. I'm taking more for one more because you understand why I'm taking one more. 7 and then 9. Now run. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the double commas. Okay. Now next, create the data frame. df in df then data dot frame, and in which I pass the ID and experience. Now print the data. This is the data. ID, ABCD and experience is 2, 4. This is the experience. Okay. Now this is second. Now I am creating the second data set, because I am using the I am using the joining function. That's why I am taking two data set C, and there is I am using the this one. But one thing is, here I am using the E, not a F. E. Okay. And salary. Salary where is it 20K, 30, 40, 60, and 45. Now create the data set. So I am taking df1 data dot frame, where I am passing the ID and salary. Okay. And print df underscore 1. This is my second data frame. Now I am using the left joining. So this is the left j I will take left joining, and then I am passing the df is my first data set name, and df underscore 1 is my second data set, and by we using the by is equal to id. Then print the oh sorry I forget the bracket. Sorry, this is not need. So this this is a left joining is take the experience, because I am using the some mistake by is some mistake. So this is the left joining is id. First is id is my common variable in both. I am using the id, and the second data frame I am also using the id, but first we use the experience and second we use the salary. So it's join the left join the data in experience and salary. One thing there is, you notice that there is na in left joining, because is a f, there is a f and there is a e, so that's why it show the salary is n na, because the data is not matching. All are matching, but there is salary is not matching, so that's why it's give the na. Now same thing is the right joining. Right joining, then we pass the df comma df underscore 1 and by is equal to id. Print So there is a ID is take the experience and salary, but there is a NA value because is a there is a F and it not matched with the E E. That's why it's take the all are the same ID, but there is not similar. That's why it's take the NA, and that is the reason I have taken the F and E. So you can understand the difference between right joining and left joining. Okay. Now next is inner joining. Then inner join. Inner join we can pass the DF, then DF underscore 1 and by is equal to ID. Now print inner join. So this is the not is the inner join. This is working. It's take the all value which is both uh, same have same ABCD is in a left first data set and ABCD in the second data set. It's ignore the E and F. This is called the inner join. Now is the last is a full join. So sorry, full joining, and where we pass the value df comma df underscore 1 and by is equal to ID. Now if we so they it's take the full joinings, it take all values. There is E because it's not similar, and so it give the experience NA. Okay. And there is a salary is NA because it's not similarity, so that's why it's take the NA value. Okay. Now I am using the second library where I am using the TDR. So TI TDR. So go to the package, then install TI. So first install the library. Then if I run it, oh, Now I am creating the new data set is a for data dot frame. You can use this type of data frame. This is the another types of data. How to create the different the data set. You can use this. You can create data set like this, and you can also use this type of data set. So where I am using the country, where I am passing some values and see. Now is a country name. You can use anything. This is some numeric. I am taking some numeric values. And 0, 0. Next is next and last. Zero, full. This is the closing bracket. Now print the value. I think something is understood symbol complete. Sorry, where I forget the commas. Now it's run. Now I am using the function gather function. is a gather function x. I am taking the variable x where I am passing the data set name FOO. Then I am using the pipe sign. This is the pipes operator. And next gather is a predefined gather where I pass the quarter t. Quarter, and then is growth, and last I am giving the country name. Colon and ND and print. So let's give the quarter and growth. Quarter is country name and their growth is AG to ND. It show all the values 0.3, 0.5 and 0.1. AG 3 values, then quarter values, all these country name DL, then MT, and all values it print. It's give the white too long. White too long is a definition. Now next is spread function. Spread function is opposite to the gather function, long to wide. Now I am taking another value x underscore 1 is pipe operator where I am passing the x value, my first gather variable, and pipe operator. Then spread is a predefined spread where I am passing quarter and growth. And print. So it is opposite to the long to wide. gather is wide to long, and it is the long to wide. It show the country all values, country name values, everything is show there. Now next function is separate. Separate function, it's split the column into according to the separation. SEP where I am passing the value x and pipe symbol, then separate SEP separate where I'm passing quarter comma C QRT it is split the value, comma A. Is equal. It's only give the warning, so it spread the value 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. SEP address 1. Sometimes okay, it's only giving the warning. Ignore it. Expect 3 pieces missing. Fill the NA in 12 rows 1, 2, 3. All values is 12 values. There are 12 values. It show different way. It is split the values. Now last is unit. यूनिट फंक्शन concatenate करता है, concatenate the two columns into one. It means it two columns and make it one column. Then So it's working some problem. Now is combine the column is a quarter, all values is combined it, because unit function concatenate is work on the concatenate the two columns, so it's combined the column. So that is the deploy library, where I am using the different types of joining and function also. Hope you like it. So if you uh, like to please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.